catch your vibe, come catch your vibe.
Hey friends, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I pray that you guys are all doing well. I pray that your season has just been fulfilled and that you guys are entering into a very prosperous 2025. Amen. Welcome back to our channel. I have a new unit for you guys, and once again, this unit does come from Unice and they can be found on Amazon. I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. However, this is a unit that I picked up. I picked up this gorgeous Yaki straight 5x5 blend away high definition lace closure unit, and this is what it looks like. Now my unit is 24 inches long. It does have that pre-cut lace, the pre-plucked hairline, the bleached knots, and this is 100% glueless, so there's no need for glue or any tapes or anything like that. Now the lace is still a little too light for my skin tone, so I'm taking this airbrush leg spray and I'm using it as a lace tint just because I have it. I had to get rid of it, and I just went ahead and applied that all over my lace just so we can get a nice even match. I'm gonna throw on my stocking cap and get this unit on, and yeah, let's see what we're working with.
Out of space, yeah, I did the race. Roll up a doobie, a doobie. Try la Uzi, yeah. Roll up a doobie, a doobie.
Now that I have the wig on, I do notice that the lace is still a little too light, so I'm just going to do a spot check, and I'm just applying it right along the lace where it meets my forehead just to get it to evenly blend out, and then I'm going to follow through with my powder, and this is just a powder that's a little darker than my skin tone. Gonna apply some more of that powder into the parting space just to get that part to pop. And you guys notice I didn't use any glues, any gels. It is just meshing very well with my skin. Gonna take my wax stick and apply that just along the very top of the unit to get rid of like that bulkiness and kind of smooth everything out. Gonna take my hot comb, my flat iron, and we're gonna go ahead and press this unit out.
The gang, yeah. I like the flex, yeah. Slam boy, I'm really a threat, yeah. All my niggas.
Alright friends, so this is what this unit is giving. This is definitely giving a winter style because I tend to wear my natural hair silk pressed out during the winter time, and people are not going to think that this is a unit the way that it's looking so natural. Now I'm very tall, 5'9", and this unit hits about my hip area. Now I'm very harshly going through this unit with my fingers, and you guys notice I am not getting any shedding whatsoever. No strands, no nothing. I really do appreciate how Unice upgraded their units, and they're just super great quality, and I highly will recommend this to you guys. Now you guys just look at the overall flow of this unit. It is just giving body, and I'm just here for it. You guys notice how the lace is lacing and it's blending right on in with my skin. They do give you a decent amount of parting space. You know, this is a 5x5 unit, and you do get a whole lot of parting space to make this unit look very natural. Once again, I didn't use any glues, any gels, nothing like that. And the way that this unit just melts into your skin, y'all cannot tell me that I didn't grow this myself. I'm just going to part this unit so that you guys can see. If you guys desire to put this into like a side part, you guys do have a decent amount of parting space, and everywhere these knots are bleached, so you're definitely going to get a very natural look. So I wouldn't be me if I didn't just kind of play around with this unit to give you guys different looks here and there. I just went ahead and put it behind my ears. That's one look. If you guys are going to church, you guys are going to work, to the gym, you can definitely throw this into like a ponytail, a low bun. I'm just using my little clip, and I'm just going to clip this up. This is something that I would wear to like the gym, something that's like forgiving if you guys do decide on installing this wig and leaving it on for a few days. It is definitely achievable. You can wear it to the gym, to church, you know, to work, to school, you know, on a date, you know, however you guys decide on wearing this unit. Now, I am a middle part girly, but I've been really feeling my side parts lately, so I'm going to go ahead and throw this unit into a side part. I just parted it off on the side. I used a little bit of my wax stick just to really smooth everything out. going in using my hot comb, followed by my wrap lotion, just to really get everything to be directed in its proper position. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and style this one up in a side part. Y'all going to see me pull out some baby hairs just to kind of get everything to just look nice and uniformed. And this is what this unit looks like in a side part. Like, I'm really feeling this look. I love the way that I have it tucked behind my ears. It just kind of reminds me of back when I was in high school. This was like my signature style in high school, y'all. Again, you guys do check out Unice. I will have all the details and links provided in the info section below. Y'all definitely let me know what you guys think about this unit. I literally cannot keep my hands out of it. It's so soft. It like literally reminds me of when I get a silk press on my natural hair, and yet I still have my hair underneath the unit being protected, especially during these colder months. So once again, you guys do check out Unice. I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys later. Have a blessed one.